What if I told you that just one spoon before bed could help restore your leg strength, rebuild your mobility, and give you that youthful feeling of being 18 again? If you're over 60, you've probably noticed those stairs feel steeper, your legs feel weaker, or you avoid long walks. But tonight, right now, we're going to explore a simple bedtime hack that people don't talk about, but that research says can make a real difference. Welcome to Mindful Aging. Be sure to hit the like button if you're ready to move stronger, feel younger, and sleep better. Let's begin. Why legs get weak after 60? Let's start with the facts. After age 60, natural muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia, begins. You lose muscle mass and strength in your legs, hips, and core. Your body's ability to repair muscle overnight slows down. Research shows that older adults who don't address this quietly begin losing strength, reducing mobility, and facing increased risk of falls. But here's the good news. Our legs aren't doomed. We can still rebuild strength. And one of the keys is what happens while you sleep. The science of bedtime nutrition for muscle repair. You've probably heard of exercising your legs or doing squats and lunges. Those matter. But there's another piece, nutrition before bed. A major study found that consuming 20 to 40 grams of slow-digesting protein, like casein, right before sleep improved overnight muscle protein synthesis in older adults. That means while you're sleeping, your body works to rebuild muscle fibers. Why does this matter for your legs? Because your legs require strong muscle rebuilding to handle daily tasks, standing, climbing stairs, walking outdoors. So in simpler terms, eating something smart before bed gives your body what it needs to reboot leg strength overnight. The one spoon bedtime trick explained. Now to the easy bedtime trick, just one spoon before bed. By spoon, we don't mean a giant scoop. Think of one dessert spoon or heaping teaspoon of a high-quality, slow-digesting protein food or supplement. For example, 1 spoonful of Greek yogurt, plain, full fat. 1 spoonful of cottage cheese mixed with berries. 1 spoonful of casein-enriched powder stirred into a small cup of water or milk. You're giving your body a nutrient boost at the time it can use it best, while you sleep. This isn't a miracle pill. It works best when combined with light leg moves in the evening, like sitting to standing, gentle leg raises, and a consistent bedtime routine. The spoon before bed becomes a signal to your body, repair mode. Your legs get a chance to rebuild overnight. Tips for safe implementation, especially for seniors. If you're planning to try this tonight, here are safe, senior-friendly guidelines. 1. Choose a slow-digesting protein, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or casein powder. Avoid large, heavy meals. 2. Keep it modest. 10-20 grams of protein is good. Research suggests older adults may benefit from slightly higher, but don't overdo it if you have kidney issues. 3. Pair with mild leg movement. 5 minutes of leg raises or sitting to standing near bedtime. This keeps your muscles awake. 4. Stay hydrated earlier in the evening. Avoid large liquids right before bed. 5. Check with your physician if you have existing conditions, kidney disease, sleep apnea, or on certain medications. By making this small, one-spoon habit part of your night, you're giving your legs and body the chance to renew what you could feel and why you'll want to stick with it. Now you might ask, what will I feel and when? Week 1 to 2, slightly less leg fatigue when walking or climbing stairs. Week 3 to 4, increased confidence in standing up with no support. Walking may feel smoother. Month 2 onwards, as strength builds, you might feel younger, less heavy legs, more sure-footed steps, maybe even longer walks. These changes don't happen overnight, but they do happen when you stay consistent. Your body is still capable of change, even after 60. Remember, it's not just about feeling 18 again. It's about feeling free again, free to move, climb, walk without constant worry. So tonight, try the one-spoon trick. Give your legs the gift of repair while you sleep. If this video helped you, hit subscribe to Mindful Aging, tap the bell icon so you don't miss tips like this, and leave a comment. I'll try the spoon tonight, because your legs still have stories to tell. Until next time, walk strong, feel young, live free.